Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another episode. Today we got us a fantastic mail call from West Highlands shop. Let's see what David sent me. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well you ready to jump right into this and see what David sent us? First let me start off with these two stickers. One is David's shop. If you guys are following me and haven't followed David yet, I highly recommend his channel. I've been following David since he first started out, and I'm a huge supporter. Everything he touches just turns to gold. It's a true pleasure to watch him work. Next is a Proto Los Angeles Flying Lady sticker. This is actually going to help me out a lot. I have a toolbox that this can go on right now as we speak. So thanks a lot, brother. I truly appreciate that. So I'm going to use that for my toolbox. That's cool. Next, he sent this sweet little Hubley tin toy. Actually, I think it's like cast aluminum. This thing is sweet. It's got the tin bottom on there. My son already claimed this, so this is going to him. And David meant for this to go to him, so that's quite cool. Thanks a lot, brother. Bay truly does appreciate this. I kind of want to keep it myself, but it's got that GM front end on there. That's quite cool. Love that. Next, got a bottle opener in the original box. Removes bottle cap safely and easily. This is a Star brand. I wonder if it's Star. Oh, the hardware's in there. This is like new old stock right here. This is quite cool. Yay, Coca-Cola. Nice. That is awesome. Coca-Cola brand bottle opener. How sweet is that, right? That is awesome. David knows I have a love affair with bottle openers, so it's quite fitting. That's cool. So I wonder if I should put the bottle opener on my drawer here, or should I just keep it in the box and display it? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Thanks, brother. These two beauties right here, I know they look like clips to a machine gun, but I assure you they are not. These are tin cases, and inside of this one got this sweet little torpedo level. Let me grab my magnifier and read what brand this is. Gotta get it in the light. It looks like Preston and Sons. Definitely looks like Preston and Sons. I can't really read it. It's definitely going to need a cleaning, but this thing is in fantastic shape. Wow. Really, really good shape. I love this. That rosewood grain in there, that's beautiful. Why don't you guys get a good look at that? Look at that. Only needs a little bit of cleaning. This thing is sweet. And it's got its own little protective case, which is even better. These cases will clean up nice too. Soak them in some deoxy and wire wheel them down. This one is blown out right here on the edge. That's no big deal. We can solder that back in place. And yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I think I might do some tin knocker work on this. Get this case looking a little bit better. That's a nice project right there. The other one, there's still some blue tape on there. Forgot to get that off there. This case is in a lot better shape. There's no manufacturer on there that I can see. get my magnifier again. Warranted correct. I swear it says Raybone and Sons. The wood is boxwood. This is beautiful. I think it says John Raybone and Sons. Manufacturer boxwood. This thing is awesome. Again, this is going to clean up super nice too. I'm stoked about this. Get a good look at that, guys. Hopefully that's showing. A little bit of water staining right here. It's not a big deal. I got some isolic acid. You can get that off there. Scrubbing bubbles won't do a thing to this. I mean, it might clean some dirt off of it, but I'll definitely need some isolic acid to get that off there. The brass will polish up just nice, and the rosewood's still in really good shape, so, or boxwood. Yeah, boxwood. Still in really good shape. That's cool. I love that. Put back in there nice and safe. Wow. That is cool. These two will make fantastic restorations. Thank you, brother. Let's see. Next, got this sweet little box right here. A little bit greasy. It needs a good cleaning. But what's awesome, it's a New Britain. The box is in perfect condition. Like I said, it just needs a good scrubbing, and I could start putting all my New Britain sockets in here. That's awesome. I've amassed a little small collection of them. I'm sure you guys have seen, or if you haven't, I have a video to where I picked up a little small socket set from a yard sale. I paid $1 for it. This looks like it would be 3/8 set. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So this is the 3/8 set for the New Britain, which I do have 2 ratchets that are New Britain that would fit in this set just fine, and I think I do have a couple of the deep well sockets as well. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, brother. Next, you guys that have been following my channel for a while, you know I have a love affair for all Kraeuter tools, and this is no exception right here. I got a complete set, 20-piece socket set, 3/8 Kraeuter. I could spend a year trying to find the sockets to fit in here, and I'd never find them. It seems like David can just go to wherever and come home with Kraeuter stuff. It's quite amazing. Really is. I am missing 2 of the sockets, but I know that I do have those in my own personal collection. So that is fantastic, and I'm quite happy to have these. I'm blown away. Blown away, man. A lot of people don't like these Kraeuter ratchets because of the square handle. It takes some getting used to. It really does. But my hands are quite large, and when I'm using these ratchets, my pad of my knuckles fits perfect right inside this groove. So it really doesn't affect me too much. It does when I'm trying to do something like that because the corners are quite sharp. But I just really like these. Wow. Blown away, man. Blown away. And last but not least, a large Kraeuter toolbox. And this thing is completely stuffed with tools. Matter of fact, I've never seen a Kraeuter toolbox this big. This is a first for me. The tray is in there. It's in perfect shape. Like I said, all this stuff just needs a real light cleaning. But other than that, it's in perfect shape. And we have a whole bunch of stuff in here. What I think I'm going to do is dump this out. We'll get it all sorted. And yeah, we'll start from there. Give me a minute. Alrighty guys, so let's jump through what was in that Kraeuter box. First I want to start off, this is a spud wrench, F-wrench, bicycle wrench, whatever you might want to call it. This is Ford USA, it's quite cool. That should clean up a treat. Got 5 of these drop forged, made in the USA's, multiple sizes. These are quite cool too. These always clean up really nice. Got a pair of Uticas here. This is a Utica Tools +1 on there. I've never seen +1 written on anything like this. So that's quite cool. That's interesting. Got a sweet little pair of slip joint pliers. These are Diamond Duluth USA. Quite happy to get anything diamond. Truly love their tools. That's like, I don't know, maybe a 6-inch pair. I got a PNC. This is a 1/2 inch 12 point, number 6016. That's quite cool. Got a sweet Proto 3/8 ratchet, 5249. This is Proto Los Angeles. She's locked up and buggered up, but I think we can get her going again. The selector won't move at all. But yeah, I think we can definitely save her and get her going again. I'm quite happy about that. Got a nice little New Britain 1/4 inch breaker bar. This I think I'm going to throw in my little New Britain set. That's quite lovely. I got a Klein & Sons. This is number 605. I'll say it's number 1 slotted. It's in really good shape. The tip's in perfect shape too. Grip's not all chewed up. That'll go in my Klein collection perfect. I got a couple of these hexed sockets with the wrenches for them. That's quite cool. I was thinking about starting my own little collection of these as well. They are just handy to have, you know. Got a fantastic black diamond file here. You guys that have been watching my restorations, you know I file pretty much everything. I just enjoy it. It's kind of zen, you know. Plus I get better control with a file. I feel I do. And this is a nice fine, this is a nice fine file for metal. This is really good. It's got plenty of life left in it. Needs a really good soaking and some cleaning, but other than that, perfectly operational. Got like a little 10-inch Tremo here. I can't read anything on it other than Tremo. Definitely needs a good cleaning, but these things always clean up really nice. And there's a lot of fellas out there who collect them, so That's quite cool too. I got a 5/8 and 11/16, a little stubby double box. Got 2 electrolytes in there. I believe both these are true fits. Yep. Both electrolyte true fits. Got 4 Barkalow Buffaloes. And last but not least, got a funky pair of vice grips. These are Gripsos. Gripso. Vice pliers. Gripso model, it's either 211 or 2/1. Can't really tell. And they're made by H.R. Bassford Company, San Francisco, USA. Looks like there's a couple of little roll pins on those jaws here in the front. Looks like you can pop those roll pins out and replace the jaws. Hopefully I can still find them online somewhere, because the tips of the jaws are all blown out and broken, but hopefully I can find the replacements and have a funky pair of vice grips to use. So that's quite cool. Thanks, brother. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to go over and check out David's channel at West Highland Shop. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. I have been following David since he first started out, and everything he touches just turns to gold. So it's quite an honor and a privilege to watch him work. So that's it. Like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We will see you next week with another. Bye.